All right, so up until now, we have set the relations between the student, the article blog, and the comment. But you also have to remember that we haven't saved them actually into our database. So we save all of these three just by adding json.save, articleblog.save, and comment.save. Now, normally we would put done at the end. That's probably we all do and have done. But here is the head scratcher. There are three save attempts here. So which one will be the one we're going to chain on a dot then? Well, we want to be sure that everything is saved clearly and properly. ES6 code will help us here again, and we will use native function called promise. So by doing it this way, we put together all the promises into one single promise. But in order to do this, we write promise.all and then pass in all promises here in an array, json.save, articleblog.save, and comment.save. So since we wrote them in one promise, we can delete these promises. So after this, we add dot then and dot here, and this function will be called once whenever all these three saves are successfully done. Actually, this promise.all is used quite frequently, especially in the cases where we're going to make an association between several new records and save all of them. So now we're going to start writing our test. All right, so let's create a new it block. Describe it as associate student with article blog and done callback. So we use a student.findOne function and name JSON here because if it is saved, we can find JSON. Chain on then block with student from here. And hopefully you understand we don't know what to expect with JSON, yeah? So we console log the entire student and see what we're going to do next. And we won't forget to add done here. So let's say maybe we have lots of tests. We should add dot only after the it statement. So we will be able to run only this test. Follow? That way, no other tests are saved and run. And this will make it so efficient when we're dealing with many tasks in our test suite, which could take several minutes or more. So now we can save our test and we'll go to terminal and see what's going on. So as you can see, everything is all right. And we're getting a console log out and it has an ID, name, JSON, and article blog property with ID, but not an object. And also article blog property is remaining from the subdocuments. So as you can see it, we'll fetch JSON from the database, but there is no object inside this article blog. Now, in the next lesson, we're going to figure out how to solve this article blog issue.